Hey! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this POCO. First of all, you need to access settings. Now scroll down and click on apps section. Then you need to select app lock and just turn on. Following that, create your app lock. Then repeat and tap on next at the bottom right corner. After that, you can sign in into your Me account or select not now. Then wait 5 seconds and choose not now one more time. If you wish to lock all of those apps, you can click on use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and tap on use app lock then. Now, if you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well, you can go into settings and enable this option. I will go with cancel though. Then select switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. I will go with YouTube. Now when I go back and try to access YouTube app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!